Great. So usually, you know, those frequencies between the 125 to the 150, those are the frequencies that this mid, low mid, there's a lot of pressure in this area. And once you take it down, check it out. Way cleaner. Now I can take bring it down, those low basses. But the important thing is to check it with the bass line or with the kick, you know. Now you can hear what I'm talking about. This very low rumble, you know, that you want to eliminate. Okay, let's leave it for now. Now, I think this will be the, you know, the vibe of the lead. It will be probably, will be played once again, you know, for the, for another 16 bars. And, oh, that by the way, it happens here. So yeah, the melody, let's say we'll start here and then I'll have another 16 bars of that melody. Now, as I said before, so in the next round of this melody, here maybe I'll make a small change, and here maybe it won't be the exact same pattern. So let's give it a try. Okay, so now that I have the first sketch for the melody, you know, that the first idea to work with, I'll do exactly what I've done in the last session, that is looking for those repetitions and surprising changes, you know, looking for some solid structure. So next step after duplicating it is implementing more changes, and yeah, things you basically want to remember are doing more of those pitch changes, reordering some of the notes, maybe create some movement with modulations and automations. And before actually converting it to an audio, I'll try to make some more changes MIDI-wise over the melody between the first and the second part. And last thing you want to consider is keep in mind you still can look at that on that A-B AC structure, kind of a structure I talked about in the last session. You know, let's say I consider this one as my A, and this one as my B, you know, and this one A again, and then the C, I can have a bigger change here. So let's do some of those changes. Again, as you can see, I'm trying to eliminate those harsh frequencies. So I'll give you kind of an A-B. So here, when the filter is going down and closing, here you can hear this mid frequencies resonating. This one and the second one. Yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, I want to stop editing for a second and explain to you guys a bit about where we are and what I'm going to do next. And honestly, not much left to do. So first of all those channels, it's getting a little messy. I won't do it now, but yeah, I would start with arranging and cleaning the project a bit. You know, it makes it easier to navigate and be more in control. Now for the melody, I got the lead itself. So with its notes, I'm gonna try to do some more reverses and stuff, you know, maybe add in between more elements like crash and other one-shots to fill the spaces between the lines. And last thing, usually I would consider to do more variation with the main lead, but for now, I'm pretty satisfied with the outcome. So yeah, I'll keep doing some of those last things I said, and yeah, we are close to finish. Okay, so I actually had an idea to try and replace those three last notes of the main melody in the end of the region, and yeah, I managed to find a nice sounding pad, and yeah, I'll just play it for you that you can hear how it sounds right now. Okay, I think we've actually got it, because what's left is just add some more notes in between, you know, more sounds, maybe more couple of melodies, short lines of melodies in the background. And mixing wise, just to make it blend well inside the track and stand up easily in the mix. But yeah, those things I'm not gonna do now. And who knows, maybe we'll save them to another future session together. And yeah, what we've got till now is basically we've got the main lead, we've got what we aimed for. And actually, with saying that, we've reached to the end of another session. So let's cut it out, and I think we can start thinking about the track name. Alright guys, so we've made it to the end, and we actually nailed 3 kinds of melodies within the last sessions. So let's hear them out. And just before of that, I want to say I'm thankful for the opportunity to share with you some of my approaches. I hope you find it useful. I hope you're going to use it in your production. See you soon. Until then, stay safe, make a lot of music. Thank you so much. Bye bye.